So, to build this flying machine, we need 5 blocks, which I'm choosing obsidian. Yeah. Then, we need to build it in kind of like a plus sign. As you can see what I'm doing now. And now we need a hinge. Yeah, turn it up. And now we need a honey block. Wait, it's not a honey block, my mistake. It could cut that out and turn it into a, where is it? There it is. A glue block. I did something wrong. Yeah, I'm supposed to stand. You need to stand on it, yeah. Then do it. As you can see, what I'm doing now. Why is it not working? Work, you stupid thing. Yep, I did it wrong again. You could just tap it to remove it though, instead of deleting it, yeah. Now when I launch, yeah, as you can see, then when I launch, I press the jump button and the joystick, and I fly through the air. And as you can see, I fell. Come on. Takes me a while to get up. But as you fly through the air, you can see. Ooh, just avoiding that. I need to slow down. Dang it, I hit boom. And there's treasure. Chest. Here we go. Oops, it deleted itself. And now, look at the treasure. We get gold and a golden block. As you can see. We got 1 gold block. And now, just ignore that. We get 102 gold and we're done.